Alright YouTube, this is Electronic Mechanic again. I'm working on this Lincoln MKT. I cleaned the carpets, pulled them out, and pressure washed them real good. And they turned out really nice. But I just wanted to show people that may have one of these cars. Under the carpet here, that black plug right there, that big black round thing, if you pop that out, the fuel pump's right underneath there. You can get right to the fuel pump sending unit in the fuel tank. And those are the wires going through to it. So if you ever need to do a fuel pump or sending unit on one of these cars, you just flip the carpet up and there you go. You don't have to drop the fuel tank, which in these cars is kind of a nightmare. So I'm gonna flip this carpet back into place. I just wanted to make a quick video for that, and we'll go from there. So after many painstaking hours of tearing this car apart and detailing it, it's all back together. Shined up the seats with some leather cleaner, got it all back together. Found some cheap floor liners in the back row. Everything's clean, hooked back up, ready for its maiden voyage.